So it's always great to visit new companies, and today we're here at the Scayl stand here at IBC 2012. I've got Bill Kallman with me, founder and CEO of Scayl, which from our point of view as video professionals, it looks like an incredibly exciting product. Tell us a little bit about what this offering is.
I'm so happy to share it with you. You can now download it for PC or Mac free and use it. It's an application. It's somewhat similar to something like Dropbox or Skype in that you need the app.
Yep.
Once you have the app, you can send to some other fellow you know with email, and they can get the message from you and download the app and receive the large file you send them. What it is the first distributed cloud service that works like email.
Right.
Unlike the traditional email or social networks which send everything up into a central cloud, Scayl sends the large files directly to you or multiple recipients.
Right.
Okay? So it doesn't go up and down from the cloud, so it goes twice as fast as going up and down at least. And it'll even go LAN speed, so if you're in a Wi-Fi cloud, it'll go 10, 20 times faster.
Right.
Gigabit LAN, you can move gigabytes a minute.
Gotcha.
What's happening with it? People are sending in big videos to film festivals with it. They're using it in the universities. They're starting to use it in the broadcast, production, ingress, all kinds of use cases.
So if you're in the situation where you've got a half a gig file or something like that, and you think, oh, I can't put this on email, this is the sort of solution you want to use.
Well, yeah, not only that, if you're in a situation with a 28 gigabyte high resolution movie and you're a filmmaker and you need to send it around the world to your to the festival or to your colleague, you can send that 28 gigs.
Wow.
Not just 500 meg.
So should we have a look at it in action? Let's have a look at it, yeah.
Okay, so this is the PC version here.
Yep.
And I'm going to launch a new message, and I'm going to send it to my colleague Don, which is at Don Demo. I got to get the address right? Don Demo at Scayl. Let me just get the spelling right. I'm not the best typist here. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to send some videos, and I'm going to attach them now. And why don't we attach this video right here. That's 1.3 gigabytes. Now we're going to send that. And I could attach multiple files, of course. Now what's happened after I've sent it is it's staged here in the outbox. And that is a place where we're breaking it into little pieces. It's called hashtagging. By doing that, we can do a couple bits of magic. One is if your power goes down or there's a noisy internet connection, we can continue to send where it was interrupted.
Right.
This is critical. If you had to start over at the beginning on these big files, you never succeed. This allows us to send, for example, to the Caribbean, where the islands have noisy internet connections and drop in and out successfully. So it takes about a minute per gigabyte to do the hash step. When that's completed, it's going to move to the sent box, and so we'll see that in a moment.
So while it's doing this, what I did notice is it looks like email. So if you can use email, you can use this. That's
right. There's really no learning curve. It's a very simple, easy to understand interface. You just open it up, create your message, attach your big pile of photos or your video list, and send it to your colleagues or friends. And if you wanted to do secure sending with digital rights management and that sort of thing to, for example, the web TV, we can send to 60 countries. You know, we can get that content out rapidly and in a secure fashion.
Excellent. So I can see it's moved
So it's moved now into the sent bucket. So that step is done, and it's going to be, I have to move to the top of my huge sent bucket here, and here's where we're beginning to track its progress. And so we can see that it's going to start, and I'm going to move over to the Macintosh, which is receiving it now. And the reason is it's going to come rather quickly. And so I'm going to move myself over to this Macintosh, and this is the, here you'll see the progress of the 1.4 gigabyte movie that I've sent. Now this is really how fast it would go between a couple of you in a Starbucks or in your home or in the conference room with Wi-Fi. Okay? It'll go about 10, 20 times slower to a consumer internet, but it'll still get there. And it'll go another 10 times faster if you're on a gigabit LAN.
Absolutely.
So I wouldn't even be able to show you the progress. If I was on a gigabit LAN, it would be done.
Gotcha. So the software's
in about 20 seconds.
Okay. Understood. So the software's clever enough to be able to tell, okay, you're on a Wi-Fi local area network, I don't need to send this out to the
That's
internet
right.
back again. Gotcha.
And here we've received it, and we can play it. And this happens to be a documentary.
Sure.
It concerns the sort of scary thing that the bees are disappearing.
Yeah.
And the nice thing about having it locally is I can stop, play easily, go back, depending on what permissions I've been given with the video.
Bill, looks amazing. Now, this is the first time I've ever seen something like this, and I suspect first time a lot of people have seen anything like this. If they want to find out some more information, and of course download it, what's the website they need to go to?
Well, you go to www.scayl, SCAYL.com. And you can get it for a PC or Mac so far, and we're working toward the mobile use case as well. But with that on your Mac or your PC and your friends or colleagues with it, you can have a great experience simply sending anything of any size forevermore for free, up to a limit of 20 addresses in a message. If you go beyond that, you need to register with us and assure us it's your copyrighted content and that you've got permission, opt-in permission, to send it to your recipient list.
Bill, looks an amazing product. Thank you for that. Go and have a look at their website, download it for free. The link is on the screen now. Everything we've been doing here at IBC, of course, is on our website, which is broadcastshow.com.